أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
أن لا
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
رسول الله.
رسول الله. I bear witness
That there is no God but Allah.
that there is no God but Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the messenger of Allah.
is the messenger of Allah.
Assalamualaikum. Now, obviously, when I'm in Morocco, it'll be a lot easier to go and pray in the mosque more often, and that is my intention, to be in the mosque more often. But as I said, the prayers are going very well at home. Now, to help with praying at home, I've been kindly gifted a salah mat from some friends of mine in the UK. So they've given me a nice salah mat. I will hold the Quran in English so I can actually read it and understand it, because I do not read Arabic yet. So